This statement came out from Ambassador Catherine Tai
on Twitter.
So she said, let me blow this up a bit. United States Trade Representative Catherine Tai today released a statement announcing the Biden-Harris administration's support for waiving intellectual property protections for COVID-19 vaccines. Good. This is a global health crisis, and the extraordinary circumstances of the COVID-19 pandemic call for extraordinary measures. The administration believes strongly in intellectual property protections, but in service of ending this pandemic, supports the waiver of those protections for COVID-19 vaccines. We will actively participate in text-based negotiations at the World Trade Organization needed to make that happen. What are text-based negotiations? Like, are they just
I was just wondering that. Are
get
they
on iMessage or something? Each other? Like, get on WhatsApp? Like, what are they doing? These negotiations...
Yeah, that's strange.
Those negotiations will take time, given the consensus-based nature of the institution and the complexity of the issues involved. The administration's aim is to get as many safe and effective vaccines to as many people as fast as possible. As our vaccine supply for the American people is secured, the administration will continue to ramp up its efforts, working with the private sector and all possible partners to expand vaccine manufacturing and distribution. It will also work to increase the raw materials needed to produce those vaccines. So that is good news for sure, and we'll have to keep an eye on the news.
Yeah, let's see if they follow through with that.
Yeah, like the pressure needs to be kept up. It can't be the case that the goals like I don't know if I'm frozen or what, like the goals like Bill Gates and Josh Rogan are allowed to win there. So
hope you enjoyed that last video. Hop on over to statuscoup.com where you can sign up for our email list and become a member for as low as $5 to $10 a month. Membership is how we grow. That's statuscoup.com/join. And remember, join our email list so we can grow the revolution with you.